That is a flamethrower. We have 3 of those babies.
Okay, Zane.
Yeah?
You stand over there by Zachy.
Okay.
This is going to be one of the awesomest things ever if this is messed up, as I think it should. Okay, please let this not blow up. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, don't look directly at it. It's gonna hurt your eyes if you do. Zane, do not look directly at this, okay? You're gonna wanna look a different way, okay?
You are.
Seriously, don't look at it directly. Oh my gosh, I can't believe we're looking at this. We're doing this.
Yeah.
Count.
1,
Hold on. 1,
2, 3.
3.
Holy!
Holy smokes.
Was there a flame in it?
Wow.
That was messed up.
Oh, it sure is. Don't get burned.
Zane! Holy cow, get out of that. Zane! Zane, it doesn't shoot a shot. Zane, it doesn't shoot anything. 1, 2. Zane, it doesn't shoot anything. Get out of there.
I just saw a bunch of sparks. Yeah.
There's fire.
Yeah, it starts a fire now. Get away. Okay, how do we stop this?
This is almost like a napalm. Don't, Zach.
Okay.
Well, hey, we can tell which way it's blowing. Boy, I get.
Woo! Oh my gosh, that was so funny.
Did you get it? Did you record it?
Yeah.
Did you see? What'd you see?
I didn't see anything.
I saw sparks shoot out, and then all of a sudden fire started sprinkling
I wonder
out.
if the wind.
The wind had a bunch to do with it.
Yeah.
Then I saw the
Let's
flames.
do that.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I saw the flames coming down.
Yeah, I saw a little spark. I saw like a powder spark or something come out. Maybe it's too windy, it won't work for an actual flame, but that thing was messed up. And look what it did.
It threw flames everywhere.
Zane, how cool was that?
Yeah.
Okay.